Guys, so na lang ko i-share sa inyo ha. So may tabo kayo na. So amazing kayo ba? Kung nabasa na ko nga libro daw ba? Nga kung nado kayo problema daw, all you have to do. Kaya itong example na kayo problema nga lisod na kayo mo solusyonan bitaw na. Kaya example na kayo problema nga whatever na ma-think ni mo na solution, murag di yun siya masulbad within that day ba? So I had that experience a few years ago. And then, nabot po ko sa point na wala dyan ko solution atong nga problem. So, when I read a book, atong this or that, basta this or that, something in libro ni Bo, sabi to, if mabot ka sa situation nga ana imong kinabuhi, all you have to do is seek in the Lord. Mag-seek lang yung kapaminti kay Lord and ask the Lord of wisdom and kung unsay mahatag ni Lord sa imo. And it's so amazing during that time, ako siyang gi-pray na Lord, di na yun ako makayag sulban niya kung problema karon. So tabangi ko not in a way na tabangan ka automatically maabot din ng ang blessing, maabot din ng answered prayer. No, it's never gonna work that way. So I ask for wisdom during the time. And when I ask for wisdom, you know what? After a few moments, after a few hours actually, dito na nang gawas ang mga idea kung unsaon ako siya mabutang solution akong problema. And eventually, within that day, nasulbad jud akong problema because of the wisdom na gihatag ni Lord during sa kuwatang nga time. And I was like, okay. So, maybe, ikaw magkuna kasi mong life karon nga murag daghang kang problema, probably sa iyong finances, probably sa imong relationship with your parents or sa imong mga siblings or relationship sa imong uyab or asawa, or maybe na kay problema karon sa imong health or sa imong work or sa imong job or whatever your problem is. Sometimes ang atong human thinking ba is that whatever problems that we'll have is kaya nato sulbaron with our own human capacity. But we should not forget that there is a God na who will give you wisdom para matabangan ka of whatever problems na imong maatubang, and then that wisdom ni hatag ni Lord sa imuha makuha nimo ba makuha nimong solution, and you never thought that solution will be the solution of the problem na imong gina-experience na sa una. So maybe you're that person na who's experiencing that the same thing akong na-experience before. Maybe this is the video that would help you out instead of focusing on the things na tan-aw nimo nga humanly kaya nimo, possible for you. Why not seek the Lord this time and ask for wisdom? And I do believe that changes the game a lot. So that's it.